Puff pastry chicken pot pea servings, 4-6 peel ingredients, 1 package of frozen puff pastry, thawed 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs, diced 2 tablespoons butter 1 onion, diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 carrots, peeled and diced 2 potatoes, peeled and diced 1 cup all-purpose flour 1/2 cups chicken broth 1/2 cup milk salt and pepper. To taste fresh herbs, such as thyme or parsley. For garnish optional instructions, preheat the oven. Preheat the oven to 400 F200 C. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Sauté the chicken and vegetables in a large skillet. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until browned, about 5-7 minutes. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter to the skillet. Add the onion, garlic, carrots, and potatoes. Cook until the vegetables are tender, about 10-12 minutes. Make the filling. Add the flour to the skillet and cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Gradually add the chicken broth and milk, whisking continuously. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook until it thickens, about 2-3 minutes. Return the chicken to the skillet and season with salt and pepper to taste. Roll out the puff pastry. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the puff pastry to a thickness of about 1/8 inch. Transfer the pastry to a 9x13-inch baking dish. Fill the pastry. Pour the chicken and vegetable filling into the pastry-lined baking dish. Cover with another layer of pastry optional. If desired, roll out the remaining puff pastry to a similar size as the first piece. Use this to cover the filling, pressing the edges to seal. Cut a few slits in the top to allow steam to escape. Brush with egg wash. Beat an egg in a small bowl and brush the egg wash over the pastry to give it a golden brown color. Bake the pie. Place the baking dish on the prepared baking sheet and bake for 25-30 minutes, or until the pastry is golden brown and the filling is hot and bubbly. Garnish and serve. Remove the pie from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh herbs if desired. Serve hot and enjoy. Tips and variations. To make individual pot pies, use a muffin tin and adjust the baking time to 15-20 minutes. Add other vegetables, such as peas or corn, to the filling for added flavor and nutrition. Use leftover chicken or turkey to make the filling. Brush the pastry with melted butter instead of egg wash for a different flavor.